Okay, this is a video on how to install the base plate. The plate that you put on your bench and you bolt it down or whatever. So you put it in. Those 3 bolts go in. And you just tighten them with your fingers. Once you got it tight, you use a 1/2 inch or 13mm wrench. Get them good and tight. Okay. And there we go. Simple. Now, there's some little holes right here, and you can get a wood screw and put in that, or you can drill them bigger if you want. You can put bigger bolts or whatever, but we try to make it simple for you. Here's our little wood screw. Try to make it so that you don't have to use any washers or anything like that. So that is how you install the base.